In this video, you will learn the use of the phrasal verb break down. Now, what is the meaning of break down in English? It could be stop operating or functioning, lose control of one's emotions, make a mathematical, chemical, or grammatical analysis of, break down into components or essential features, separate into constituent elements or parts, fall apart, collapse due to fatigue and illness or a sudden attack. Now let us know the meaning of breakdown in Hindi. कोई भी यंत्र या मशीन का खराब होकर बंद पड़ना, रुकना, भावना के उद्वेग से रो पड़ना, विश्लेषण करना, अलग अलग सूची बनाना. Finally, let us see how we can use the phrasal verb break down in a sentence. The following are few examples. Men are left idle when machines break down. मशीनों के खराब हो जाने पर पुरुष बेकार रह जाते हैं. It is hard to break down old prejudices. पुराने पूर्व धारणाओं को तोड़ना कठिन है. Marriages usually break down as a result of the shortcomings of both partners. दोनों भागीदारों की कमियों के परिणाम स्वरूप विवाह आम तौर पर टूट जाते हैं. Our car broke down and we had to push it off the road. हमारी कार खराब हो गई और हमें उसे सड़क से दूर धकेलना पड़ा. When we gave her the bad news, she broke down and cried. जब हमने उसे बुरी खबर दी तो वह फूट फूट कर रोई. Hope it is helpful to you. Watch more videos by subscribing to this channel. And please don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you.